found kangaroos. This is the first time in my life I see kangaroos. They're looking at us. Okay, that's fucking scary. Why are they all looking at us? Jesus Christ. We just got to the city that we're gonna spend the night in. Bro, it's so creepy. So it's like the typical like Stranger Things kind of neighborhood. Look at this. Look at this church. It just looks out of a film. And there's a creep guy just following me around everywhere. I don't know what to do. Out. We are literally in the middle of the forest. I'm gonna show you what is around. Exactly.
Absolutely nothing.
Okay, let's. Shh. Like there is nothing around, so we're gonna be spending the night here. We'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna be making some avocado on cold crumpets because this girl, she ain't gonna cook shit in the middle of the forest. Nah. And Harry's having, I don't know, yogurt with cookie because he's feeling fancy today. This is such a perfect avocado. Like, look at these. Cute. Show us what you made.
Beautiful.
Oh my god. Rate our food. This one or this one? So we kept driving and we ended up in this forest and we're walking through the trees. And by the way, these trees are like 50 meters high. I'm gonna show you.
Super high up.
And in this whole world that's a trail through the forest with the sliders. Socks and sliders.
This is how you do hiking.
You're currently 40, how long? 40 meters high. We're the height of the trees. It's crazy the views from here. Like we are literally higher than the trees. Like, well, okay, maybe not that one. You more, but I'm literally shaking. I'm so scared of heights. I can't. Like seriously, can you see that the fucking bridge is moving? No. Look what it says here. This is dedicated to someone who actually fell from here. Okay.
It should be fine. Maybe.
Here we go again. Shit. Fuck. Okay, no. Bro. For a swim, but Harry doesn't want it. I'm going alone. Okay, clearly I didn't know that it really fishes everywhere in the floor. Can someone tell me if this is deadly, please? Oh my god. So we wanted to go to this national park, but guess what? It's closed, and the closest village or city that we have around is Esperance, which is still like 400 kilometers. We're surrounded by nothing. There's nothing around. I need to poop. Great. I just need a toilet, please. Need a toilet's here. Guys, that was literally the whole city. 500 kilometers, we made it to Esperance. It was worth it. I think I just found my favorite place from all the West Coast. And it's Esperance. How clear the water is, and it's so weird because we're both wearing our coats but we're inside the water. Harry's going for a swim. I'm gonna say he's not gonna make it. First touch with the water. Now that Harry's not crying refreshing. Anyways, so you have to pay. Where am I? So you're supposed to pay like $17 for like entrance, right? And then I was just like, might as well just like, there's like a ticket there. There was actually a ticket, and like someone paid 10 minutes before and they forgot the ticket. So we're just using this one, like already paid, and it literally expires today. Like, how crazy is that?
No me gusta queso.
¿Por qué no?
Nunca en mi vida.
I think it's the only person that doesn't like cheese in this whole planet.
Solo en pizza.
Is cheese one of the best foods ever? Yes or yes?
Mozzarella. No, que no.
Mozzarella is cheese.
Falsa.
I can't stand him, bro. I just realized that we have not enough gasoline for the trip. And he tells me now at 10 a.m. when we're already in the national park. National park is like 50 to 60 kilometers away from the city center. Congrats, Harry. Congrats. You're so smart.
I got nothing to say. If you would like to walk the rest of this journey, feel free.
This looks so cool. Oh, it sounds like this. It's like salt. I don't know why I smell that. It doesn't smell like anything. Just like... This is insane. Like, it's winter in Australia and I'm just here swimming in the ocean, and it's like a swimming pool. It's like so clear. We just want to say that, listen, we're on our early 20s and we've literally been in like every country we want to. So I know you all might be stuck in like a job. Bro, he works 5 days a week from 9 to, no, what time?
9 to 5, yeah.
9 to 5. In this case, I'm unemployed, okay? Because I just quit my job. And he's here in Western Australia on a random Monday morning. Everyone can do it. Seriously, just do whatever you want, please.
If you can, then
do it.
For it.
Conclusion: do not have kids. Just travel. Don't have kids, okay? Keep doing this, please. By the way, it's like totally empty. Like, we're alone for kilometers and kilometers and kilometers. Crazy. So once more, we ended up climbing a mountain. That's Harry right there. We're climbing the Frenchman Peak, I think it's called. I don't know. We're still on the national park. Like, this could be any country at this point. Like, with Australia, it's just like every place you visit just looks like a different continent. Oh my god, I'm so much gonna fall. We need to get all the way up there. Well, so I didn't fall, but you know what did? My phone, my 1 week old phone just broke. Like, the back is just broken.
Joder.
Okay, we gave up with the mountain halfway through. Didn't make it. Now we're in Hellfire Bay. Beach Bay?
Beach Bay, yeah.
I don't know, whatever. I'll show you. Wow, look at the color of the water. How insane would that be that there's a shark just right there? Oh, look at that wave. Damn. Look at these rocks. Don't tell me they are so yum yum yum. Like, you just want to munch them. Climbing. Yes.
Adventure.
Reach the top and look at these. Damn, a bunch of water just everywhere. We got some food after all the dopamine is being released. I need some more, so we're trying Red Rooster. I don't know what it is.
It looks pretty good. Looks like I got some gravy with it as well. Which,
if it has gravy, I want it. Look at this. Gravy is so... Oh. Fuck, I'm so sorry. Fuck. There's gravy in the car. Bro, that's good gravy. Harry, as an English person, is about to try the gravy. Please give the review. Oh my god.
it's pretty good. It's not very thick when you're eating it. It's very thick in the pot, but kind of missing something in the middle. It's there, but it's not all there.
Sorry, Red Rooster, you didn't pass the English test. So random because we've been sleeping on this port for like 3 days and we just woke up to this like guys fishing and it smells worse than your farts, bro. So bad.
They're not even that bad.
Okay, so
Ooh.
our plan is please GPS tell.
Drive to Albany.
So yeah, we're getting back to Perth, but instead of just going through the countryside, we're going back to Albany because there's free showers in public toilets, and this girl needs a shower.
That's true.
And then we go to Perth the day after.
Exactly. And then we make it in time.
We're again sitting in a parking lot because that's our vibe, always. Bro, we just did like 5 hours driving. Congrats to this Uber driver.
Thank you. I'm knackered.
Oh, fuck. And just in case you were wondering, this is what Albany looks like. A bunch of green houses and geezas or giddies.
Giza.
Look who came to visit us. He wants the bacon, not you.
If your owner said yes, I would give you some bacon. Gentle. Oh, yeah,
We just arrived from Perth and we're cleaning the van. So you're coming to the shower with us.
exactly what I was saying. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to do
Insert
this.
tokens. Select button to
Toma.
select toilet wash. First button for... Have we got everything?
Yes, everything's closed. This is exciting.
Oh. Oh.
Stop.
When do I? Forward. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. We're about to get sprayed with water, bro. Yo. Yo.
Oh, it stopped.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh. Whoa. Drive the window.
Yes, open the window, please. I need a shower. Wow.
Yeah.
Last clip on the van. Bye bye, this has been amazing.
It's
We love
over.
you,
Over and
Wombati.
done. Wombati.
Getting close. I'm taking her back home.